Cupsey is a popular meme coin trader who has made over $20 million trading meme coins, and in the past 30 days, he has made over $1.8 million from meme coins. So in this video, we are going to be evaluating his strategy to see how he trades, and also we are going to check out his profit and loss he has gotten from some of the trades. And because of the profits he has made trading meme coins, most of you are going to be asking me the question, should you copy his trade? Well, I'm going to answer all of that in this video. So before we get started with this video, it's going to be kind of you to like this video right now and subscribe to this channel, because according to statistics on this channel, it says over 60% of you do not actually subscribe to our channel. So the only way you can help us right now is by subscribing to this channel and liking this video. Have you done that? Now let's get started. All right, so first off, I'll be checking out KOS scan, where you can see that in the past 30 days he has made 10,000 Solana, which is equivalent to $1.8 million. You can see what he's holding, and his win rate is 65%, which is really good. Average duration is 44 minutes, but I'm going to talk a lot more about the duration later on in this video. But let's explore his most recent trades. This is the last one he took 6 hours ago, where he bought with 3 Solana and he sold for 4.2 Solana, netting a profit of 1 Solana. The next one is Good Rudy. He bought with 3 Solana. This one is sold on loss for 27% loss. You can see it right here, and it seems he bought another one too, which he made a little over 0.3 Solana, and he bought this one called Hot Season. So this guy, in the past 6 hours, this is 6 hours, 7 hours, he has taken a lot of trades. So let's dive into some of the biggest profits he made, and you can check that with profit here in the past 30 days. You can see beyond 30 days. Okay, so we'll start with this one where he bought between Solana and he sold for 367 Solana, netting him a profit of 1,700%, which is equivalent to $61,000. And it took just 2 hours for him to realize all of this. Okay, so let's check out the coin. So I'm going to be using Axiom to check this because it's easier to give you the entry point and the exit point for when he actually bought the coin. And if you don't have an Axiom account, you can use my link in the description to sign up right away. So over here, you can actually click on this filter icon and you'll be allowed to put the wallet address of him. And the moment you click on it, you can see he actually bought this at 71k. I also think there was another buy for this coin after I did some research using that screener, because Axiom did not show all of it. But you can see he started selling from $1 million, from 71k down to $1 million. He started selling bit by bit up to $2.5 million. But let's check out one more coin from him, and then we'll go over to the most interesting part of this video. So the second coin we're going to try out is Bag. He bought it 85 Solana and he sold for 299 Solana, making him a profit of $338,000. So here it is. You can see he had an average buy of $708,000 and an average sell of $2.5 million. Now, from the first one we checked, what you will notice is he had a very good entry point from almost when the coin was before bonding and when it bonded. He had an entry point within that period, and then he was able to sell at the top. For this one, he kind of like missed the earlier ride, and then but somewhere around 700k was able to enter, and he still went out almost at the top, 2.5 million, netting him a lot of profit. So let's go over to how long does he hold these trades. You can see this one he held for 4 hours, this he held for 2 hours, this for 52 minutes. But you can see the average average duration shows 44 minutes. But if I go to most recent, what you're going to notice is most of the coins he buys, this one where he made 34%, he held for only 8 seconds. This year he held for only 2 minutes, 42 seconds, 3 minutes, 10 minutes. So you will believe it will be very difficult to find coins he held for almost 1 hour or thereabout. Most of the coins is less than a minute. He actually takes profit, 7 seconds, 5 seconds, and you can see them. And this is the reason why most persons are upset. You know, a lot of persons copy his wallet. So whenever he buys any coin, instantly the wallet across the whole world that is copying his wallet buys instantly, and that's going to put him on instant profit, and then he's going to go ahead to sell. So, and this is why someone brought out a data showing that why Cupsey has made over $20 million from meme coins. A data here shows that people copying his trade has lost almost $4.6 million. You can see it right here. So this has been in a steady downtrend over $4.6 million get. And how does this happen? It's simple. Let's say he buys instantly and then multiple wallets starts buying after his wallet. What happens is the moment he sells, he's going to take a lot of those profits, and the few wallets that are able to sell instantly with him will take the profit, and the least of them would leave the trade on loss. And most times, most persons that copy people's trade only have the buy setup, they don't have the sell setup. So whenever the person sells, they might still be holding, and that is part of the reasons why a lot of persons are on serious losses. And this is why a lot of people attack him on Twitter. But one thing I'm going to say is, even though I think this is bad in a way, it is not actually his fault that his wallet is out there. For someone to start copying your wallet, it simply means the person has seen value in you. People don't go around to see random wallets that they've not done any research on to see if the wallet is profitable before they start copying his trade. So first off, people have seen that this guy is profitable, and that is why they decided to start copying his trade. Because I don't think any person will copy you if your wallet is not profitable. Although it's very big on social media, especially Twitter, so which could also be part of the reasons why people think he's a very good trader and then they are copying his trade. But you're not going to rule out the fact that this person has built himself to a level where a lot of persons look up to him and start copying his trade. So even though I see the negative part of what people say about him, I also see the positive part. Because if you look right here, most persons are saying that this guy is always trading every minute. Like in a day, some of his friends say he trades for like 18 hours. We don't know if he's the one trading it or it's actually bots that is trading. But there are a lot of tendencies that bots could actually be assisting him to do some of these trades. But you know what I want you to understand is this guy is also putting in a lot of work. He's not just sitting down and folding his hands to watch things. He's actually in the trenches regularly, scanning the market and trying to buy this coin. So I understand the negative part of it, but I also want you to look at the positive part of it. What can you actually emulate from this person? Maybe it could be his grind towards trenches. Maybe it could be his dedication towards trading these meme coins and stuff like that. If you put in some of this dedication, you might also try to replicate some of these results, but you know, it might also be the same way for you. So just think about it categorically. But let's go over to the next part of this video, which is, should you copy his trades? Before I talk about that, just take a look at this image right here. This guy posted some time ago that Cupsey has been depositing $200,000 to Coinbase. Simply means every week he makes profit, he sends it straight to Coinbase. This guy is actually taking profit. Unlike most of you, you just want to keep your money, including me. You want to keep your money in the trenches, you want to make more money, you don't want to take out some profit for yourself. And by the end of the day, you've ended up losing everything in the trenches. So it's important to take out some money out of it. If you look at his wallet right now, it's not even holding up to $600,000. I think USDC is $355,000, and then a few Solana, which is not up to $1 million for someone that has made over $20 million. Why are you not having this? Although there's risks to maybe his wallet getting hacked or stuff like that. But what you need to understand is, it's important to take out profits when you're on the reasonable profit in this market. So now it's time to answer the question. So should you copy his trade? Well, my answer to that is no. I personally do not copy any wallet trade right now. And the reason is simple. When you copy people blindly, it simply means whatever mistake they make in their trade, you also bear the repercussion of that mistake. So what I do is I prefer to track their wallet, and that's why I use Axiom to do that. I have a bunch of wallets on Axiom that allows me to see when these people actually buy these coins, and it's going to give me a glimpse of what I should do and what I should not do. So once I start seeing a lot of my favorite creators that I know that are very good at do not sell very fast, like Cupsey, once I see that they've actually bought, it's like a green flag for me to actually buy. But there are some persons here that I know their wallet, the moment they buy any coin, I just sell instantly. I don't care whether I'm on profit or on loss. I sell instantly because their wallet is kind of like a red flag for me. And for that of Cupsey, the way I look at his wallet is, most times whenever I enter a trade, especially if the coin is still on pump fund or is still on bank fund, as it is yet to migrate to the secondary market, the moment he buys any coin, I don't jump in anymore. And that's because I know that he will most likely take profit. Because when you look at his profit stats over here, you can see he takes 30%, 5%, 6%, 24%, 54%. So it simply means the moment he starts seeing profit, even 100%, you would not see a lot of 100% profit here. So it simply means the moment he's on profit, he might dump, and the moment he dumps, the entire people copying his wallet are also going to dump. So that chart is going to be destroyed. So I would basically just stay on the sideline and watch. But there are sometimes when I've entered the trade and then Cupsey enters, it pumps instantly. That's actually good. So make sure you start looking for coins that Cupsey would actually buy to help you pump your bag very fast. So guys, this is all of it I can talk about in this video about Cupsey, and I really hope you've learned one or two things from this video. Let me know another person you would like me to analyze his trading strategies. Go to the comment section and write the person's name, and I'm going to look out for the person and analyze the person and make a video about it. And if you want to learn more about how to trade cryptocurrencies and meme coins and how to make money from them, I've actually made a DeFi and cryptocurrency mastery course that covers everything from beginners level to an expert level. Do want to check out the website uchecrypts.com. I'm going to leave the link to that in the description. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, and as always, subscribe to this channel right now, and I'll see you in my next video.